Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome if you are brand new here. So for today's video, I am going to be showing you guys what you receive in the Look Fantastic beauty box, more specifically the January beauty box. So I'm going to be showing you guys what's inside, what you receive in this, and if you stay to the end, I will also let you know how to save some money. So first off, I have to thank Look Fantastic for sending me this box. Thank you so much. I absolutely love it. So before they reach out to me wanting to send me a box, I had no idea what Look Fantastic was. Like, I have never heard of them. I had no idea that they existed. I'm kind of shameful to say. But I realized that because I didn't know who or what they were, is they were based over in the UK. So I'm not familiar with UK beauty brands or skincare brands or anything like that, so this was an amazing way to kind of dive into those brands and kind of get a little bit more familiar. So Look Fantastic is actually the original online British beauty boutique. And what I didn't know is the Look Fantastic group is Europe's #1 retailer for beauty, and they are #2 globally. Like I said, I had no idea that these guys existed, but I'm so happy that they sent me a box because now I can share with you guys all of the fun stuff that we are kind of missing out over on this side of the world. Okay, so I just have to give a little shout out to the color. I actually love this color purple. Fun fact, this was the color of my bedroom all through junior high and high school. Okay, so a little bit about this beauty box. So what this is that this is actually a monthly subscription box, but you get 6 curated beauty products, guarantee worth of over $70. So that's a pretty good deal. If you're looking to try any of this stuff, this is an amazing way to do so. Okay, so I'm gonna open up the box and show you guys. And what I noticed first is this cute little quote here that's on top of the lid. It says, "All that you are is enough." So that is like such a cute little motivator just to kind of, you know, brighten your day as you open the box. This is what it looks like when you open it. So you do get one of these little beauty box edit, I guess they're like a little magazine. So this kind of tells you everything that's inside it. It gives you like little info about each product, about the companies that are in here, so I think that is amazing. And what I really like about this is I noticed if you flip to the very last page, it tells you what's coming up. So it tells you that this is actually going to be in the February beauty box, and it also says the value. And because this is a UK brand, it does say that it's worth over £10. So I think that's really neat. Okay, so getting right into the box. This is what you see when you open it. So again, you have 6 items in your box. So I'm just going to kind of go through and just kind of show you guys like what is in each thing. Okay, so this first thing is a complexion sponge by the brand So Eco. And what's really great about this sponge is the packaging is made from materials that are ethically sourced, compostable, recyclable, and biodegradable. So I mean, everyone can use beauty sponges. I'm just going to open it up and see what this is. Ooh, okay, so this one is really soft. Like, I actually really like the feel of this. It feels very velvety. So I mean, if you're into beauty or makeup, you know that you can never have enough of these sponges. So I think this is great to include in a beauty box. So the next item that I pulled out is a hair mask. This is by the brand Grow Gorgeous. It's the Balance Hair Mask, and this is a shine enhancing overnight mask. My hair gets very staticky, very dry during the winter months. I think everyone is kind of on the same page as me. So any kind of hair mask is just going to really help your hair during these tough winter months. So I am so happy that there is something for hair care in this box. Okay, so the next item is actually a liquid lipstick by Sleek Makeup, and this is called the Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream, and this one is in the shade French Fancy. So this color really reminds me of spring. I did a swatch on my hand and it goes on very, very smooth. I think this is also a great addition to this beauty box because everybody likes a little fun pop of color for their lips. This color in particular, I love it. It reminds me of spring. It reminds me of the flower peonies. I just love it. I am definitely a pink kind of girl when it comes to lips, so I really, really like this one, and this is something different that I don't really have the color of in my collection. I think I have like a MAC lipstick, but it's no longer available or continued, so this one is going to be a great addition to my pink color lipstick family. Okay, so moving on, we have this Star Skin Nourishing Double Layer Hand Mask Gloves. I have never really heard or tried of hand masks. So this kind of reminds me of like the foot ones that you put on and then it like peels all of your feet skin on it. So, which I actually really want to try, but this one is a hand one, and I think this is so nice again for the winter months because my hands, I don't know what it is, but I found ever since I turned 25, like 4 years ago, my hands have been super, super dry. And I don't know if that's something to do with aging, but every time winter rolls around, I have to load up on hand cream because every time when I get up or I go to bed, I can see my hand has little like white dry flakes on it. So my hands dry out in the winter time. So I think this would be so nice to try. Yeah, I'm so interested in trying this like hand glove mask. Okay, so the next item is actually a cleansing bar by the brand Dr. Botanicals, and this is in the scent avocado and cucumber. So this is a natural cleansing bar, and I've never used one of these before. I am so interested in using a cleanser bar as opposed to using shower gel. And the smell of this is absolutely amazing. As soon as I open the box, this is like the first thing I could smell. I'm just going to open it and show you guys what it looks like. So again, super interested about this. I'm always looking for different things that are more natural. I tried like more natural deodorant and body washes by the brand Native. So really interested in trying this natural cleansing bar. Okay, so the last item that I have in this beauty box is actually a moisturizing cream. So this is by the brand SVR. Upon looking them up, I learned that these are a very popular skincare brand for sensitive skin especially. So this one is super interesting. So this is an intense moisturizing cream, normal to combination skin, tested on sensitive skin. You get 40 milliliters in here. So I am actually really intrigued by this one because my face, I don't want to say my face gets really dry in the winter because I'm always applying products. Like I apply moisturizer before my makeup. I do my skincare routine at night. So my face isn't really a large concern when it comes to wintry dry skin. Like definitely not like my hands or my legs are. But I'm always looking for products that are safe for sensitive skin because I tend to get eczema, especially like around my eyes. So really intrigued about this. So it says infuses continuously essential water to the cells and durably fix the water in the skin. This is what the tube looks like. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hand just to kind of feel the texture. This would be like a really nice moisturizer again to wear in the winter and just kind of help the overall moisture balance of your skin. Okay, I really like the feel of that. It just kind of obviously blends out to nothing, but I really like the texture of this. So that was everything that was inside of the January edition of the Look Fantastic Beauty Box. So this box is actually a fantastic way to try different brands that are from another area of the world. So I really, really love that I actually didn't know any of these brands in here because it gives me a new little challenge of figuring out different brands, seeing what I like, seeing what I don't like. I just like that because we're so used to everything in the American culture over here in Canada and the US that I really love when different brands kind of make their way over. But I especially love that you can subscribe to this box and figure all of these products out on your own. And what I also noticed is that this beauty box subscription has a Canadian website and a US website. So if you are going on the Canadian website, the dollars convert as you're getting $70 worth of items for $25 a month with the subscription boxes. If you sign up on the Canadian website for the 12-month subscription plan, you will get each box for $21.50 as a recurring monthly payment. But if you go through the US site, that's where my link is kind of embedded. So I promise you guys I would tell you guys how to save a little bit of money. So if you go on to the US link, which I will link below in the description box, you don't need to put any code in, just click my link. I don't make any commission from this. They were just kind enough to want a little deal for my followers for you guys to enjoy. So again, I make no money from this. Click the little link below and you will receive your first box in the 12-month plan for $1. So if you're looking to sign up for this and to try it, I think that's amazing. You can like $1 for your first box. That's incredible. So I encourage you guys to go check that out if you are interested. Okay, so that is pretty much it for me. We went through the box. I told you guys a little bit about Look Fantastic. I am so grateful that they reached out to me and sent me this box because, like I said, I had no idea that they even existed, which I'm kind of ashamed to admit. So thank you so much, Look Fantastic, for sending me this January beauty box, and I encourage you guys to go check them out. They have fantastic products for low prices. So yeah, that concludes this video. If you like what you see, please give it a big thumbs up, and of course, if you want to see more by me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I appreciate you guys so much for all of the continuous support, and I will be seeing you guys in my next one. Bye!